Hey there, Nancy. This is Alexis with Webling's Web Design here. And I want to get started off by saying I want to keep this short and sweet. This is a free plan of attack for you, and it's going to give you 3 steps to help bring in more business. First, I want to start off with content. Your page here, it's beautiful, but Google likes to see about 1,500 words on that front page and about 250 on the others. This here front page has about 200 words, so you're going to want to get in there. You want to get in more content. Another thing that Google likes to see are your photos saved as keywords. Keywords that are going to get ranked up in Google. So let's take this picture right here. We're going to see what it's saved as. Employee photo. You're going to want to get in there and maybe put Whitehead employee photo and save it that way. That way you're getting saved and searched for that keyword in that photo, and that's just going to help you get ranked up into Google. The second thing I want to talk to you about are citations. Citation meaning the name, number, and address of your business that are on other websites. And that has to do with this map pack here. This right here is what we call the map pack, and to get ranked in there, you need to have a bunch of citations. Here you are down here, but to be number 1, you're going to want to go into this. It's called White Spark, and it will show you that you have 52 citations, but your competitors have about 73 more than you do. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go down here to your opportunities, and here are all the websites that your competitors have citations on that you could easily get. All you got to do is click in here, go to there, and get your name, your number, and your address on all of those sites. And then you're gonna want to go in and get some more as well, just so you can rank above them. But that's just about it for citations to get you in that top of that map pack. The third thing I want to speak to you about is Ahrefs. This has to do with the backlinks, and this will also really help you rank up in Google's eyes. I want to talk to you about this. This UR is the strength that your website has, and this DR is the trust that Google has for your site. And this goes all the way up to 100. So what you want to see here is that you have 73 backlinks, but they're all on 21 referring domains, which means you have 73 links, but on 21 different web pages. And then we could also pull up one of your competitors. Frankwood and Sun Plumbing is one of your competitors, which is, I believe he's in the top 3. And this is why, because these backlinks are very high. And backlinks are not created equally. So if you go in here, you can do the same as in Whitehead, and you can just go in and get all of the same backlinks as they have. But this is what you want to pay attention to. This DR number, the higher this number is the higher the higher it is trusted in Google. So you're going to want to get the high ones. So this 77 and this 74, you're going to want to go in there and get these, and then get additional backlinks as well, just so you can be above them and be number 1. So this is yours, and this is theirs. So you're just going to want to go in. All you got to do is click. Sorry, hold on. You just got to click this right here, and you can get all of the same backlinks that they have and get yourself ranked to being number 1. But I believe that is all I have for you. The content, the citations, and the backlinks. So if you like what you've seen today and you want to give us a call, please feel free to contact us at 765-639-9289. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.